It's a new era in my house. I'm back to having an espresso, guys. Yeah, I got this Virtuo Next, and I just made sure to choose the rose gold. And guys, I don't know if you know this, but I absolutely love hazelnut coffee. And then I got another one too. This one is, it's actually sweet vanilla. And honestly, the way that I'm going to be doing these coffees, it's going to be the full mug. And for those of you who remember, I have these. For today, I'm going to use these beautiful, I got these ones from Linen Chest actually. So I'm going to make coffee with this one. And what's really cool is that I think this is normally $250, but I got a back to school. I got it from back to school. Ooh, actually that's really nice. Look at that. I have the pink one to this one. Anyway, yeah, so I got it on, actually, you know what? I don't know if I'm gonna say that. Let me see how to unbox this. Where would I? Okay. You know what happens when you're filming, right? It's hard to do this with one hand. And then I was like, so wait, let me just open this and then, oh, that was easy. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, Virtuo. What's this? Just curious. Coffee as an art. I like this already. What's this? Okay. Coffee instructions. Ooh, this is the top. It's the top part. Okay. There's all these pieces that I'm like, no. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna need both hands. Ooh. Okay, hold on. How pretty is this? How pretty is this? Isn't it? Oh, I already broke the box. I wonder what's inside. What else? I love this Nespresso. Good job. Actually, this is really pretty straightforward. Okay, so let me just use both hands. Okay, this is out the box. I don't know what else I'm missing. This is what else I'm missing. Okay, I didn't know what to expect, and I didn't know. This is actually coffee! Wow, this is a nice touch. I didn't realize it comes with coffee, but it's fine, because I can try different ones. This one's called Il Café Altissimo. This one's regular, this one's decaffeinated. Oh, Volteso. Yeah, that's a favorite. Interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna try these. I thought there was another piece to this. Oh! Maybe this is it. Guys, am I missing something or? Oh, this? Oh god, hold on. Okay, actually, it's supposed to. What's this? No, I think it's like this. Yeah, and then you choose the, I guess, the height. So if this is like a little mini espresso, if this is a cappuccino, or maybe this is for a full cup of coffee. All right, it's cool. So this is what it looks like. And you know what? I'm gonna be putting it right here. So let's do that now. Okay, I'm gonna dust this off a bit because I find like it's just a bit dusty. I took the sticker off here. And then I need to clean it and just add a bit of water. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Thanks, Nespresso. Okay, so I started the rinsing process. I had to press this button 3 times. And so it's gonna clean it and get it ready for use. You know what? Maybe I should put something here. Woo! So what? At least the water's not gonna spout everywhere. Could you imagine I forgot that?
But you're gonna use that cup for your coffee.
I'll rinse it after. Good point. I'm gonna switch it. Okay, there we go. Look, it's my cheese on bread cup. What the ranget? What going on? Look at that. My cup from Barbados that my sister brought me. I don't know. Oh, okay, I was gonna say like, what happened? Why isn't it starting? Good thing I thought of that. Yeah, it's good. Gotta clean it. So let's do it. What the ranget? Today we're starting off the day right. After I finish my unboxing of this Nespresso, we're having greens. Where's this greens from? Advantage Greens. Tastes like what does it taste like again? Where's the flavor? Can I have the little? Oh, you're doing that. It's okay. No, you're not done. Guys, I'm drinking greens. Oh, Campbell chez Framboise. Would you guys drink this or no? Or no? I'm going to. I think I'm gonna choose. Oh, no. Gosh, this is not easy when you're filming. Whoa, the whole thing is open. It's so big. Wow. Okay, so this one is. The heck? Don't fling it back. Oh, it smells so good. Whoa, it smells amazing. Do you smell that? Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. You smell it? Oh. Wow. Not gonna lie, this is very interesting. How aesthetically pleasing is this cup?
Oh, and like how she's so. It's a lot of coffee.
Well, it's a whole coffee mug, darling.
Oh, really? By myself? I didn't know that.
As usual, my almond milk. Let's go. But you know when you get like this, I got more things that I wanted to show you. So I got the whole Nespresso setup. Now I have this. It's a big box, guys. What do you think's inside? I'm telling you guys, filming with one hand. I'm trying to open boxes, unboxing. All right. Trina, don't laugh at me. This is genius. I think I'm gonna use this. This is gonna be easier. Okay, folks, what's in here? Okay. See what I bought. Oh! Okay, guys. This isn't what I... Oh, look what it is! It's what I got. It's the bath magic. Guys, I'm so excited. You just clean your bath with this like thing and it extends. And it's gonna be so good. You like this kind of stuff? And then I got, what else? I'm so excited. 2 new mop heads. Because I want to wash the walls. See? Today's a good day. Oh, why are you laughing at me? You laughing at my mop head? Me scrubbing. I like cleaning. What do you want? And I like nice cleaning products. Exactly. So now we have this cool scrubber to clean the bath. It is a hype because this is hype. I tell you about something cool. Folks, don't listen to her. This is very cool. This is the coolest thing ever. You guys, you're giving me some hatred. That's what you're doing. I'm gonna put you on the vlog.